This is Bluebird. His name is Cotton Candy. And this is Yellowbird. Her name is Popcorn. I love how they both looked at the camera at the same time and were like, what? Well, why is he saying our names like that? What's wrong with you, human? You're encouraging your brother to run off. Very Gucci.
Pull the string, pull the trigger, and drop through the back of the head. This is a place where thousands of polar bears have come for generations. And if Lyra and Mickey were alive,
I ain't chasing you around.
Continued here, they would almost certainly visited this island, almost certainly come to something like this for food, and almost certainly been killed. Using this method, polar bears in this region were almost driven to extinction. In the heyday, trappers killed around 400 polar bears on Svalbard every year.
They acting strange. They all Gucci though. I mean, I don't really care.